Hey, I'm Jim Richards. Hope you're having a great day. If you're not, I want to help you have a great day. You know, we are at a time that the Bible calls the beginning of sorrows. And this is a time where trouble and turmoil and fear is generated specifically to give power to people who want to destroy our nation, who want to destroy the world, who want to take over all the resources of the world. It's called elitism. And I'm telling you something, we are taking the bait for elitism. One of the things that Jesus said would happen during this time is that nation would rise against nation. Well, that word nation is ethnos, ethnic group against ethnic group. But Jesus warns us that this will all be a deception. It will be based more on rumors than it is on fact. Well, the problem is you got a news media every single night that exaggerates and distorts the facts about what is happening between ethnic groups in order to stir up hatred, in order to stir up fear, in order to stir up anger between different groups. And I got news for you. Most of it is an exaggeration. Are there real problems? Sure, there's always real problems. But you know what? God's Word gives us ways to solve those problems. You know, I've got an incredible new series called The Justice of God. And actually, this week I'm talking to you about the power of deceit and rumors. And I want you to see how the rumors drive people really to be enraged, drive people to really a delusional way of looking at the world that, again, produces fear, that produces anger, that produces hatred, and really creates the very racism that they claim they're trying to stop. Well, I got news for you. You know something? In Jesus, there is no blacks, there are no whites, there are no Native Americans, there are no Filipinos, there are no Chinese. I mean, we are one kingdom. And, we do not have to buy into all of these deceptions and manipulations that are causing us to turn one against the other. If you'll click the subscribe button below this Thursday, I'll pop you an email with a link to a short message. You know what? We're going to talk to you about how to recognize and move past the deception, past the rumors, so that your heart does not get filled full of rage and hate and racism and fear and all of these kinds of things. Listen, we can live at peace with one another. God's Word shows us how we can do it, and I want to help you get there. So be sure to click below. I will talk to you this Thursday.